हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो वीडियो में 50 एमसीक्यू डिस्कसन करवा ज्योग्राफी। तो प्रथम क्वेश्चन देखन देछि कांचन कांचन जंगा नेशनल पार्क इज इन। सो आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन डी देखि पड़थे सिक्किम। तापर देखंतु 152 देछि एविडेंस सजेस्ट दैट लाइफ ऑन अर्थ हैज एक्जिस्टेड फॉर अबाउट 152 देखन देछि आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन डी कोन 3.5 बिलियन इयर्स 3.5 बिलियन इयर्स। 153 देखन देछि which is the longest national highway in India. So answer of option B कौन NH44। तापर देखो 154 देछि which among the following is not a dwarf planet. So 154 answer of option A that is Mars। 155 देखो देछि Corbett National Park was established to protect which animal. 155 रे answer of option A कौन Bengal tigers। तापर 156 देखो which state does not share a common border with Chhattisgarh. So 156 answer of option A that is Tamil Nadu। 157 देखो name the longest river which flows in India. 157 answer of option B that is Ganga। तापर 158 देखो कान्हा नेशनल पार्क is saving the rare and almost extinct species of the swamp deer also known as answer of option A that is Barasingha। तापर 159 देखो which state in India has the largest cover area of forest. So 159 answer of option B that is Madhya Pradesh। तापर 160 देखिए देखम देछि the longest day in the northern hemisphere is 160 answer of option C that is 21st June। 161 देखिए देछि who coined the term ecology. So 161 answer of option A that is Ernest Haeckel। तापर 152 देखन देछि which of the following Indian silly is considered one of the hottest in the world. 162 answer of option A that is Bhut Jolokia। तापर 163 देखो name the hottest planet। 163 answer of option B that is Venus होछि hottest planet। 164 देछि shortest day in the northern hemisphere is 164 answer of option B that is 22nd December। तापर देखंतु 165 देछि नेपाल is primarily spoken in which state. 165 answer of option C that is Sikkim। तापर 166 देखंतु डोगरी is primarily spoken in which state. 166 answer of option D that is Jammu and Kashmir। तापर a living part of the organism environment is known as 167 answer of option C that is biotic factor। What percentage of India's population is dependent on agriculture. 168 answer of option B that is 50%। तापर 169 देछि which is the closest star to our solar system. 169 answer of option A that is Alpha Centauri। तापर 170 देछि which planet is known as the red planet. 170 answer of option C that is Mars कौन Mars। 171 देखन the number of biological zones in India are 171 option B that is 10। तापर देखन in which direction does the earth rotates around its axis. 172 answer of option B west to east। तापर 173 देखन which state in India received the highest rainfall. answer of option A that is Meghalaya। तापर 174 देखन which device is used to measure the earthquake. 174 answer of option D that is seismograph ठीक अछि। तापर 175 देखन देछि the Gir National Park and the Sasan Gir Sanctuary of the Gujarat are the only wildlife sanctuary in India that have 175 होछि option B that is Asiatic lion। 176 देखंतु glowing surface of the sun is called dash। 176 answer of option A that is photosphere। 177 देखंतु dash season is when the sun is directly overhead the equator। 177 answer of option B that is spring। तापर 178 देखंतु birth rate in a country is defined as 178 answer of option B number of births per 1000 in 1 year। number of births per 1000 in a 1 year। 179 देखन देछि where is the Geysers the world's largest geothermal field containing a complex of 22 geothermal power plants located. 179 answer of option D that is San Francisco। 180 देछि which is the largest continent in the world. answer of option D that is Asia is the largest continent in the world। 181 देखन देछि which among the following is the false about earth. answer of option C it is also known as the red planet। who is known as the father of green revolution. So answer of option C that is Dr. N.E. बोरलॉग तापर देछि Panthera tigris is the scientific name of 183 ର आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन बी दैट इज टाइगर तापर देछि Dehradun is the capital city of dash 184 आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन ए दैट इज उत्तराखंड 185 गिर फॉरेस्ट इज लोकेटेड इन dash सो गिर फॉरेस्ट को जगह लोकेट 185 ର आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन बी दैट इज गुजरात तो वर्तमान आम 186 देखा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्सेप्ट 186 आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन बी जोटा कि ग्लोबल वार्मिंग ठीक अच्छे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्सेप्ट ग्लोबल वार्मिंग तापर देखो 187 मेलघाट टाइगर रिजर्व इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट सो 187 आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन डी दैट इज महाराष्ट्र ठीक अच्छे तापर देखो 188 which atmospheric layer contains ozone layer 188 answer of option C that is stratosphere तापर देखिए which of the following is the highest peak of the Satpura range so 189 answer of option B that is Dhupgarh तापर 190 देखिए tropic of the Cancer passes through which of the following group of Indian state 190 answer of option B Rajasthan Jharkhand West Bengal Mizoram Rajasthan Jharkhand West Bengal and Mizoram तापर देखिए Sirius the brightest star outside solar system is called answer of option B that is dog star कौन dog star 192 देखो in terms of size Jupiter ranks number dash in our solar system answer of option A that is 1 in terms of size Jupiter ranks number 1 in our solar system 193 देखो Majuli the largest river island in the world is located in which among the following states of India 193 आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन ए दैट इज आसाम और 194 देखो पागलाडिया डैम प्रोजेक्ट इज लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट 194 आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन सी दैट इज आसाम 195 देखो गिर केसर which has been given the geographical location GI tag so is a famous variety of which among the following so answer of option C that is mango तापर 196 देखिबा what are the equinox days so 196 आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन डी when day and night are equal equinox day माने कौन नाइट और डे जतले इक्वल हम तापर देछि which is the largest union territory of India तापर देछि the famous Hawa Mahal is in which city of Rajasthan so एटा कौन हो 197 आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन बी दैट इज अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड तापर 198 देछि the famous Hawa Mahal is in which city of Rajasthan answer of option C that is Jaipur the famous Hawa Mahal is in which city of Rajasthan Jaipur where is Pushkar fair held 199 answer होचे option D that is Rajasthan Kaziranga National Park is the only natural habitat of the endangered so 200 answer होचे option B that is 100 lions ठीक अच्छे 100 lions अच्छा तो यहाँ थी आम 50 MCQ जोटा कि जियोग्राफी रिलेटेड मैं आशा करुँच कि आपण मैंने भिडियोटी बुझीपारे जदि आपको भिडियोटी भल लगुच लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट करूँ ता सहित सांग मान सहित भिडियोटी को शेयर करने को भूलु ना जदि आपण मैंने मो चैनल नुआ तो निश्चित भाव में चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करूँ ता सहित पाखे ऑल नोटिफिकेशन ऑप्शन को ऑन करूँ जमीक जहाँ भी किसी नुआ भिडियो आसो प्रथम आपको नोटिफिकेशन जीव तो भिडियोटी प्रथम शेष पर्यटन देखा धन्यवाद।